As you probably know by now, you can mix and match all sorts of different Siser heat transfer vinyls and make some incredibly unique designs. But sometimes you mix two together and you make magic happen. Hey, I'm Joe with Siser North America, and if you stick around with me in this episode of the Decoration Zone, I'm going to show you how to achieve the embossed look using Siser Brick 600 and EasyWeed Stretch. Embossed look. Have you ever tried this? The goal here is to make your design look stamped or molded. So when using our thickest heat transfer vinyl, Brick 600, and our thinnest heat transfer vinyl, EasyWeed Stretch, this is going to allow you to achieve that look. So when you're setting up your artwork for the embossed design, you want the graphic portion of it to be cut out of the Brick 600. Then you want a piece larger than your Brick 600 cut out of your EasyWeed Stretch. So no matter what color you have underneath it in the Brick 600, it doesn't really matter because the colors of the EasyWeed Stretch are what are going to be appearing. So today I'm going to be using Brick 600 white, and I'm going to be using green, yellow, and red EasyWeed Stretch. Alright, the next portion is going to be removing the excess material and the cavities within my Brick 600 piece and my EasyWeed Stretch transfers. So I'm taking my Siser weeder, piercing the corner of my Brick 600, and with Brick 600, it is a static backing, so it's not sticky, so you want to make sure you have a good cut. And with the EasyWeed Stretch, we can remove our excess materials. It does have a sticky backing, so if anything lifts up, you can lay it back down. All right, we have our cut pieces weeded and ready to go. Now we're on to the best portion, the application portion. So for the embossed look, to achieve that look, it is necessary to work on a heat press. So we are set to 310 degrees. I'm at a medium pressure. I'm working with a cotton polyester blend crew neck sweatshirt right here. So to judge on that pressure, I want to set my sweater onto the press first, since it is a thicker fabric, and then test the pressure there. So I'm at a medium to firm pressure. I should be good to go. So the first step in this process is to lay the brick piece down where you want to apply it. So I'm going to press this brick piece for 4 seconds at the top. And now I'm going to flip my garment over and apply for another 4 seconds on the back side. This is going to allow the heat to apply directly onto the adhesive side of the brick. Okay. Brick is not a hot peel, so you want to wait till it cools down before you peel the carrier. Now we're going to peel that carrier off. Now we're going to place our design or our garment back onto the heat press. And I'm going to lay my first layer of EasyWeed Stretch where I want to apply it. And then I'm going to tack this down for about 2 to 3 seconds. Peel the carrier hot. Lay the next layer down. Another 2 to 3 seconds. Peel the carrier hot. And then I'm going to lay my last layer down. Press for another 2 to 3 seconds. Now for my last press, I'm going to press this for a full 10 seconds, which is going to bond each layer properly. Now an extra step you can do is reverse and press the shirt again on the back side when you're working on the heat press, and allow the pad on the bottom platen to help form that stretch even more to the brick. Because the pad is squishy, it's going to allow the stretch to form a little bit nicer to the brick. So if you want to turn your garment over and press it for another 5 seconds, that's okay. And there you have it. And that is all it takes to make this wonderful garment with the embossed look. You get the full dimensional effect of the Brick 600 through the EasyWeed Stretch. The next question I get, does regular EasyWeed work? Yes, it does. But for the best results, we recommend using EasyWeed Stretch over the Brick 600. Another great combination is EasyWeed Stretch over the Strip Flock. So EasyWeed Stretch on top of Siser Strip Flock, doing the same exact process you saw here, will still give you the great effect of this embossed look. So the difference between the Brick 600 and the Strip Flock is Brick 600 is 600 microns and the Strip Flock is 410 microns. So it's a little thinner than the Brick. So the best effect would be this combination with Brick 600 and EasyWeed Stretch. So if you want to find out more about Siser products, you can check out our website at siserna.com or visit your authorized Siser distributor or reseller. Thank you all for watching.